When we're trying to balance an equation and we have a variable on top and it's being divided by a number and it equals to a number, then what we have to do is we always are trying to get this number by this variable by itself. And the only way to get it by itself when it's divided by something is to multiply, because if I multiply this side here by the number 3, then what happens is that the 3, it's like it's over 1. So they actually cancel each other out, because it's like saying 3 divided by 3. So they cancel each other out and become 1. And so now the x is all by itself. But because I multiplied it on this side, I need to multiply it on this side. And so that means that x is 2 times 3, which is 6. I can look at it this way as well. I have this variable is being divided by 4. So the easiest thing to do is try to get rid of the plus 7. So to get rid of it, we need to subtract because it's added. If it was subtract 7, then we would add 7 because we always want this to get to 0. So we need to get to 0. And so to get to 0 with a positive 7 is to take it away. So I'm going to go w over 4. I'm going to add my 7. I'm going to take away my 7. And so if I take it away, I need to take it away on this side. So now I have w4 by itself because this gives me 0. So it's gone. And I have 4 on this side. So now I need to get the w by itself, but because it's divided by 4, I want a 4 up on top. And so to have a 4 on top means that I'm going to multiply by 4. I'm multiplying by 4. And so I'm going to multiply this side by 4. So now this 4 on top and this 4 on the bottom, they cancel, and I get w by itself. And my final answer is 16. So if I go 16 divided by 4 would be 4, plus 7 would give me 11, and so it works. Same here. If I go 6 divided by 3, it would give me the answer 2, which was our original answer. So we are multiplying because we want the number on top, because we have the number on the bottom. Whereas normally, when we have something like this, we have 2n is equal to 6. We have the number on top. We want to divide it by 2, so now we're putting a number on the bottom. So that means that we're dividing by 2. And so this cancels out, and we have an answer, which is 3. So they're different. You're always doing the opposite. If you divide, you multiply. If you are multiplying, then now you got to divide.